Okay, here's my setup. My push rods are standard length, just over 11 inches. I'm not going to put any shims underneath the rocker shafts. Okay, I just tightened them down to 16 foot-pounds. All right, they're in there tight. And you can see there's like nothing left here on this nut thread. I barely have any thread there. Okay, I'm at number 1, top dead center. It's tight as hell. But, right, here we go. Good. Coming out. All the way around, and okay. Number 1, here's 3/1000ths. And that is, it's tight as hell. And my cups are all out. So the easy solution is to shim it up back here. I'm gonna do that. Okay, just shimmed it up. And you can see what's starting to happen. I'm running out of thread space here. And again, I cannot get a 3/1000ths even in there. Not at all. Tight, still. Number 1, top dead center. There's no space. So I'm gonna try and shim it one more time. And I'm barely gonna have any room on the thread to nut it down. Okay, I put 115,000 shims back here. I barely have any thread here. Here's 6/1000ths, and it's still tight as hell. And I can't loosen these, I can't back these up anymore. The push rods, or the standard length, just over 11 inches. I don't get it. If I put any more shims back here, I don't have enough thread to tighten the shafts down. Anyway, I'd really appreciate some help.